All right. Go. Moving on up. All right. Please start off. Come on up. Your choice of attack. Shoulder and wrist lock. Go. Go. Next person. Quick, quick, quick. Rapid fire. Pay attention. Don't do the same attack the person in front of you just did. Don't do the basic uppercuts. Just right into the shoulder.
Take your time. Do it clean.
Step up. Good. All right, and relax. Okay, straight wrist grab, Kotegaeshi, all 9 directions. Ready? Number 1. Other foot step in, toward me. Good. Throw him down. Full throw. Throw him down. Good. Out of the way. Next person up. Number 2. Good. Number 3. Watch out. Good. Number 4. Number 5. Number 6. Number 7. Number 8. Number 9. Okay. Club attack. Roundhouse club attack to Ugoshi. Hold on a second. Hold the phone. Move on back. A little bit. Okay. Ryan, move up. Quincy, move back. Okay. Good. So Ryan, ready to swing it back. Go ahead. Good. Throw it over to the next person. Throw it on the ground. Don't be nice and handy to them. Throw it to the ground. Okay. Roundhouse club Ugoshi. Good. Throw it on the ground. Good. That backhand slap to Ugoshi or armbar, your choice. Your shoulder. Okay. Roll it over next person. Backhand club attack. Roundhouse club attack. Catch that hand. Good. One more time. Roundhouse club attack. Throw the club over the center. All right. Deep breaths. You're almost done. Almost done, Dan. I promise. Ryan, hop on up. Fighting stance. Okay. It's time for your favorite, Dan. You ready? Leg sweep. Number 1. Yes. Toes off the knees. Good. Ryan, stay up, please. Leg sweep number 2.